I turned this image from this to this. Want to know how? Follow the video. Hey guys, welcome to another video on Luminar Neo. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily replace sky with a very good color tone and realistically. So we have this image available, and this image is quite, let's say, challenging. The reason why it's challenging is because you have the foreground and the background, especially the sky is white, but her hat and her skirt is white too. So it's going to be a challenge for artificial intelligence to detect. So let's find out ourselves if it works well. Before I go to the sky replacement part, I like to, because it's the portrait, so I'm gonna make it look nice. To look nice in this case, I'm going to go to the enhance and raise the accent. Then I'm going to go to the develop, reduce the highlight because it looks like the highlight is quite strong. So I'm going to reduce the highlight from the sky. And because it's a portrait as well, so we're going to go to the portrait and increase the face light, right? So that the face stands out. Then I'm going to go to the relight. I'll make the background, the brightness background a little bit darker and the foreground a bit brighter. So that's done. So now you see that the foreground is standing out and the background is it's darker, which exactly what you want. Even though the sky is really nice, but I'm gonna change the sky to something, let's say, more of a dramatic sunset. So I'm gonna go to the dramatic sunset and see about that. And depends on your computer, it might take some time. So in this case, my computer is strong, but it's not that, super computer. So look at that. The background is changed, but I kind of don't like it. It doesn't look very realistic to me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change it to just a dramatic sky. Let's see if it gives me something more of realistic. So let's try that. Again, it works, but I wouldn't mind something again more realistic. I don't know what realistic I mean. I don't even know. I have to see it for myself. So this one, for example, it looks like an image of a calendar. So again, calendar means that not that realistic. Let's say just a classic blue sky and that. Voila. Now it looks more of a realistic of a look. So once it's done, we are not completely finished here. So I would like to go to the glow and add a little bit of glow. Amount, let's say about 37. It looks quite all right to me. And I'm going to add a LUT. In order to add some LUT, I'm going to go to the mood button. There you go. That's the one. Followed by, I'll go down to portrait toning and then see what Rosa gives me. I personally not a big fan, but let's say if I raise it quite far, it works actually. It does work, but the brightness is not good enough for me. So I'm going to go to the relight button and raise the brightness near a bit more. Let's see what it gives me now. Taking some time, and excuse me, and the background as well, I'm going to raise it a little bit more. Also, in order to add some more punch, I'm going to go to the develop and raise the midtone in the curve and add some contrast by a classic S curve. And now we are talking. So this is what I exactly was looking for. So yeah, I hope you like this tutorial. If so, go to the description and click the link to download Luminar Neo and try it for yourself. Look after yourself and bye bye.